Baskets for plants can be a simple change for an exciting home decor. They're great for adding some color, some style and elegance indoors. These days, plants have become a crucial part of modern home decor. But changing their planters or giving them a new look could be quite a task whenever you want. Because if you continue changing the pot of your plant, then this could disturb the roots and might even kill your plant. There's a good chance that your plant will not like this constant repotting. Instead, to spice up things, you can add a plant basket. Jute and straw baskets are the perfect fix. You can dress up your plants as per your desire. You can choose among the range of colors. They come in many shades, designs and different textures too. You can choose whatever suits your plant decor needs. Both jute and straw are widely famous for their texture as well as their durability. These baskets are of great quality, they are stylish and they come in range of designs. In order to grow your plants in baskets, you will need an inner lining for your pot. That inner lining could be a terracotta pot or could be a plastic pot as well. So first you keep your drainage plate inside the basket and then place the plant. This is really important because the drainage plate or the catch plate will be catching extra water that seeps out from your pot. If you do not use a drainage plate, it will reduce the life of your basket and also it will get dirty. Such baskets are space efficient. You can hide all your clutter in them as well. In case you're not using them for plants, you can use to stuff all your electrical stuff, toys, everything. It's a quick fix for urban homes. Jute baskets are not suitable for growing plants directly in them. If you would use them, they will decay and they will get really dirty. When you're using an inner lining pot, then also sometimes might get some stains, mud stains on the basket. Do not bother, do not worry. Jute baskets are very easy to maintain. In case the jute basket like this one gets dirty, you can wash it off in cold water with a mild shampoo. In case the straw baskets get dirty, use a cloth, a wet cloth and wipe with the wet cloth. You can let this dry in the sun and within few hours your basket will be as good as new. As a precaution, you can remove your plants whenever you are adding water to your plants so that the planter does not get dirty. In case you cannot remove the plant, for example when it's very heavy, this method will not work, then you can just use the drainage plate. Plant baskets offer a great way of decorating your home with plants. They are good looking, pocket friendly, you can also change them between plants. If you are an absolute new plant parent and you want to decorate your plant with something, probably a ceramic planter or metal planter, my suggestion is first try with baskets. They're easy to maintain and you can also wash them. Thank you so much for watching. Do check out our other videos as well and follow us here. Take care. I'll see you very soon.